Carmax and try and find out what our smart car is worth. I hope we're not out of fuel right now. There's no E85 around here. So in the event that we did run out of fuel, my wife just said she's not going to come and get me. Whew. Thanks, babe.
Verify the VIN in 2 spots.
There she is. Gotta peel back the duct tape to get to the
735, that's great. All right, now we just need one more. Once we can verify that. If you got the OBD reader in there?
Here you go.
Awesome. All right, great. Yep. Yeah. Did they get your information and put you in the system yet?
No.
Okay, so why don't we go inside and do that, and then drive it in the drive-off, and we'll get it started.
All right.
Yeah, thanks, man. Awesome. Yeah, but we'd have to do the quarter mile. So let's get ready.
Seeing that the roof's mostly duct taped together, I don't know. Because I might be interested.
That's sweet. It's crazy. There's no miles, so I gotta put 1.
Yeah.
Tell them, hey, I got my car in drive on, you the price.
Okay. 2009 SmartCar 4.2 black.
Sure. Any modifications done to it?
It's got some modifications. It's actually got an engine swap. It's got a Honda 2.4 with a turbo.
Oh, okay, nice. Okay, gotcha. So I'll put a note in there in the buyers. They'll kind of let you know, hey, we're going to do it.
Okay.
Okay, lease, finance,
Nope. It's paid for.
Okay, are we putting a business name or are we putting your personal name?
It's personal.
The odometer been broken or replaced?
Yeah, it doesn't have an odometer on it.
Accidents, water damage, anything?
Yeah, it's actually been rolled once or twice too.
Okay, all right. You guys are okay, obviously. 2 keys or 1 key to the vehicle?
It actually does not have a key.
Okay.
These are very weird pertinent questions.
Okay,
The more questions you ask, the more this is not coming out in my favor.
Would you sell it as is or would you change anything?
I would probably sell it as is.
Okay. All right, so all you gotta do is just take your vehicle and put it in our service center. Just look in the down the street here to the right. There's a big service garage area.
Yeah.
I'll meet you guys over there.
Okay.
One of our appraisers will meet you out there, and you gotta be with the appraiser while they're inspecting your car.
Sure.
It'll take about 10-15 minutes. And then once they're done, until you pull it back around.
All right, thank you, sir.
I'll see you out in the garage.
Yeah, that didn't come out very good. Is there any modifications? Is there a key? I really hadn't even thought of that, honestly. Or has the car had any damage? Yeah.
Hey guys, today's episode is sponsored by Cannadips. What is Cannadips CBD, you might ask? Cannadips CBD is an alternative to traditional dip. It is a no nicotine, no tobacco product. Comes in 5 different flavors here: wintergreen, mint, citrus, mango, American spice. Cannadips is crafted and manufactured in Humboldt County, California, which is at the center of the cannabis industry. Now, traditional dip is addictive, and let's be honest, it's kind of gross, actually. This is a spit-free product. Cannadips CBD is the evolution in dip, allowing guys to enjoy great long-lasting taste without the downsides. Now, this is made with 100% American-grown hemp. Now, they use a water-dispersible technology, so it absorbs rapidly. Now, Cannadips has developed a way to deliver CBD through the mouth that no one else has. They use coconut fiber for their pouches and all natural ingredients. No synthetic flavorings and no crap. To get your Cannadips CBD, go to cannadipscbd.com. They're open 24/7. And if you want to save 20%, use our promo code FP20. Also, they're available at many other convenience stores, so keep your eye out.
Thank you.
That's it.
Hopefully you can figure that out. Oh, it does not have Bluetooth. It's got a lot of extra storage too. We put these bars down right there. You put groceries on them and stuff too. I think it's going great so far. Yeah, I let somebody drive it once and they rolled it. And unfortunately, it could be a real cheap thing too. Like limit curl is like a really big thing. Like kids really do that.
We are all done. Just drive it back on front to each side. You do like 15 minutes, and the office is good for 7 days.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Put my seatbelt on, so there's a Wawa like right across the street here, and we're gonna try and just limp it in. This thing's 290.85, so we got to be able to just throw some 93 in there just to get it home. So I mean, I guess we'll throw in like 2 gallons or something, but I'm sure it's not gonna be happy at all. Well, we got some gas. It really kind of sucks not having gauges on this. They didn't ask me anything about that, so I think we're in the clear there. They did ask about the odometer.
About this. I mean, it had a lot of pictures. It seemed to, a lot of guys were really impressed by it. I mean, we even just had some lady that came over and was like, that's a really cool car and all that. So I got a good feeling about this. Got a really good feeling about this. I wonder if they saw this, you know, if they really looked intently. I mean, we did a few things to kind of cover up some of the ugly on it. It's probably crap. Zip ties, I think we got that under the radar. And probably should have cleaned the rotor before I brought it.
There I was, contemplating life decisions of what led me to create this incredible monstrosity. Then a gentleman stood next to me and was also staring at the car. And then I said, what kind of an idiot would bring that in here to trade in? And then he said,
there's just not even a good,
It's like having your own personal roller coaster.
but the roller coaster is probably safe.
Definitely.
So, you know, there's one car out here that I really enjoy. I can't find really anything good to say about, and that's a SmartCar. I can't find anything good to say about that car.
I would have said the same thing before I bought that one.
That's yours? I mean, I've seen all kinds of crazy stuff in my years of working for Carmax, and that's the first. Right now. Souped up SmartCar.
Hey, we appreciate your service, brother.
Well, thank you.
All right. Well, appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Solid. Conditions assessed.
What does it say?
AC needs service, radio needs service, odometer not working, needs being working. Oh, yeah.
Frame good condition.
Well, apparently the rear seats are in good condition. Yeah, they didn't even get the engine right here. Oh, well, needless to say, I'm a little bit hurt. I guess we'll sit on it. I'll probably keep it for a little while. It's too much fun to just let go for $500. Hell, I think we got more than that in the wheelie bars, man.
guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new to our channel, we've got a whole bunch of SmartCar videos racing all sorts of different things. Definitely thumb back through some of those. They are awesome. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. We're hoping to hit that 400,000 mark here very, very soon. So thank you guys for what you do. We also greatly appreciate your support through our merch.
Oh, look at that shirt.
Whoa,
Dude.
look at that shirt. Yours looks freaking awesome. Let me see the back. Dude, that looks way cooler than it did on the freaking YouTube channel.
Guys, I can't believe how good this shirt came out. Honest to God, you look at this thing in person and it looks awesome. It is so much better in person.
And also, we got a few Fasterproms, Uncle Sam, Add Mamma Jamma Ripper posters left. Dude,
Hats, t-shirts, stickers, lanterns. Get them while they last here.
got a whole boatload. John boat, but it's a whole boatload.
Oh, we stopped by a shop, got a whole bunch of goodies. I think we're at like max capacity under one box, and over there we got a really sweet little light bar. Probably gonna end up putting on my truck. Comfortable? Perfect.
Driving home, I felt cheated with the offer that they gave me. How could they overlook the spaciousness, have a reliable AC system that saves on energy? I mean, you hardly need grid protection. Well, I guess I was just made for old Cater Top.
Just kill it there. Or not.
Guys, we'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Stay tuned. See you next video.